How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. I'm still learning.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue the most.
Are you busy?
Not really, what's up?
What time is it?
It's 3:15 p.m.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for the bus stop.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Let's meet up.
How was your day?
It was great, thanks.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was amazing.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat something.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy watching movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
What day is it today?
It's Thursday.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play football.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm okay.
How's your family?
They're all doing well.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English the most.
Can we talk later?
Sure, just message me.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Titanic.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft and classical music.
Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day, only in the evening.
What time do you get up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking.
Can I call you later?
Of course, no problem.
Do you use social media?
Yes, mostly Instagram and YouTube.
Are you studying now?
Yes, I'm preparing for my exams.
What's your favorite fruit?
I really like mangoes.
How do you spend your holidays?
Usually with my family.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting the mountains.
Do you enjoy your free time?
Yes, I love relaxing after work.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I'm learning every day.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love painting and writing.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's leave now.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Take care. Fantastic work following to today's English lesson. You did a good job listening and practicing a lot. Continue practicing since it will help you improve. You get closer to being able to speak English fluently every time you learn. For more lessons, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your kind help empowers us to provide additional useful content to you. Have a great day learning and see you later.